Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day, whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening. I'm glad you're here. First off, I just want to thank the channel members. Thank you all. I appreciate you so much. And I want to thank anybody who's just taken the time to come in, check out my knife and EDC content. If you enjoy it, I hope you'll be so inclined to hit that subscribe button and the bell notification icon. It would really help me out. Today brings us kind of a really cool unboxing from a company I've ordered from before, from Denny, Tyler Denny, Custom Knives. And without further ado, we will just get into it without doxing Tyler or me. I'll use my little Amazon unboxing knife. All right, guys. Now that that's done, let's put that over there. Put that over there. Let's see what we got here. Guys, I am proud to announce the arrival of my Tyler Denny, Denny Customs, second Apprentice. This one's in Cruwear, orange G10 handle. This is a version 2, and this one's also satin. It's not, it's not acid washed. I'll show you what I mean by that in a second. Let's just take a second look at this. These are handmade right here in the USA. The grind on this little blade is deliciously sick. I don't know if you guys can see those lines. Hand ground. You got this beautiful swedge. Awesome poon. This one has G10 scales. And the version 2, I've also got a version 1. So that's my version 1 Apprentice. And my version 2. The differences are, not in the version, but in the Apprentices, the main differences are this one's in Magna Cut, acid washed. This one's in Cruwear with the satin. And then this one, the Gen 1, has a caramel micarta, but you'll notice it's pinned. So those scales are not removable. The Gen 2, Tyler has started making these where the scales are removable. What I was curious about is if it made it any thicker. It's a little thicker, not much. This is my Oak City leather sheet that I keep my acid washed in. I'll probably keep this one for the time being in the Kydex. But yeah, guys, this is let's get a little paper. This is just an unboxing, not a review. I will bring you guys a review on this one. And guys, these drop on his website every now and then. But what I do is I follow Tyler Denny Customs on Instagram, and he can attest to this. When he mentioned that he was going to be putting up several of these V2s, I sent him a DM and I said, hey Tyler, I want to buy one. Will you please let me know when you're going to drop them, and I will get in. I'd hate to miss out. And like anybody else, super nice guy, he said, sure, John, I'll give you a shot. I'll let you know when they're coming out. And the first one he showed me, because I just said, just send them to me as you get them ready. And he's like, I've got this orange G10 I'm just finishing up with a satin blade. I said, send me your PayPal and tell me how much it is. And I want to say this one was $190 in Cruwear. It might have been $175. It might have been $190, one of the two. Comes with this Kydex sheath, which has awesome, awesome retention. I had my last one on a little strap. I'll probably put this on a discreet carry clip. I may move it over to my my Oak City leather slip. But yeah, guys, the T. Denny Apprentice, the second one to come in my collection in Cruwear, to add to my acid washed Magna Cut. I am stoked. I love this little knife. I love the shape of it. I love the size of it. It is so minimalistic, guys. It weighs absolutely nothing. It's balanced perfectly. You saw it's an absolute slicer. It's a poker. It's a Slurpee saver. It's just got all the bases covered as far as I'm concerned for an EDC fixed blade. Let's see if we've got I was just looking to see. I've got so many different clips on so many different knives. I will figure out a way to carry this, and you guys will see that in the review that I do. I will have it probably on an ulti clip or a discreet carry clip, or my guess, to get it started. But absolutely no rattle. Probably get another Oak City leather sheath with orange thread. Had I thought about it when I ordered this Oak City leather, I would have gotten thread to match the handle or black, but I didn't think about it. I just wanted something kind of flashy, so I got green. So I might get another sheath for this guy. Might carry it just in the Kydex. I'm glad I have it. I'm glad you guys were here to see it get unboxed. I can highly recommend these knives. Again, this is my second. Guys, thank you, thank you, thank you. I appreciate each and every one of you. All I ask is please look out for the guy or gal to your left. Please look out for the guy or gal to your right. Please look out for each other. Go forward with love in your hearts. Always choose debate, not hate. I love you all. Peace.